No! Right there! You do it. So tired. I need to learn how to make soup. Yeah. Now, do it this.
Everybody.
What about fish?
Okay,
fish. And now it's time to cook it. Wow. I'm not the right way on it. The wrong way. I need to have this. No, it's ready now. It's up to you. Yummy. Here, thank you. Can I use that? Oh yeah. It's so hot and yummy. I'm gonna make the ice cream, okay? There, boy. I think you're holding the ice cream. Oh, okay. Like this. Can you put mine in here? No, it's done. Okay. Okay, you have to use another one. I have to use a spoon. Okay, well, you use this one. Okay. The right. Yeah, that's the right one. Thank you. Stop it, boy. This is really good. Now, I will teach you how to make eat coffee. Oh. Now, you have to put this and roll it. Now, you have to put it and over here and eat the black. You have to put it over here and eat the go in here and put it on. And now you drink it. You're so smart. This is delicious. I have to put some coffee cream. Okay. And I'm very ratchy. Yeah. Maybe I have to make some tea. These are yummy. And these are pop. Mustard. Ooh, yummy, I love it. And now I need to put some more. That's a lot of butter. Yeah, I like butter. Yeah, and you have to put some these and these in ice cream. Okay? Okay. And eat it. Okay. And you need some ice cream too. Oh, okay. Ice cream. Yeah, okay. Thank you. And these. Be careful. Can I have a knife and fork? Yeah. I don't have a knife. A knife is right here. Okay. Let me try the sausage. Okay, what you're doing here? This is yummy. Look at him. This is very yummy. The butter. Oh, this is delicious. Because that's just so nice. This is so good. Let me try the carrot. Are you done yet? No, I'm not done. Are you done yet? The carrot is very good. Are you done yet? Not yet. Yes, I'm done. Yes. You want some? Oh, thank you. You said you want to eat some. Oh, I'm not eating this. Okay. Okay, I'll eat it. Are you done? Here you go. Done? Okay. Okay, I haven't eaten the ice cream yet. Okay. It's so cold. Okay, you're done? Yes, I'm done. Okay, I'll put some of these in there. Yes, you're done. Yeah, I have to clean this up. Okay? Hi, Rachel. I'll help you clean up. Okay, I'll help you. Because these are really good. Oh, I know what Madison would like to do. Daddy is helping me. That doesn't hurt, right? No. Thank you for putting it in the big trash can. Because this is the big trash can. Now done. Now I have to make another. These are a chocolate. So like these, I will try to perhaps. Careful. Thank you. This is gonna be spicy. Thank you. Can I have some water? Yeah. Maybe I have some coffee first. I don't think I want hot stuff right now. Okay, I'll put some water on it. Here's water. Yummy. You have the eye like this. You see this open? I want to see. Ooh, it's so cool. Whoa, so many eyes. That's a lot of pretty curtains. It's purple. Try it, please. Wait, one more. Oh, there, it's pretty. Look at him. It goes up to up. Go down, go down. Don't leave around. I'm gonna help you. Which one would be ice cream or that? Okay, I'm gonna help you. Don't do it because this ray is sharp. Oh yes, very sharp. Yeah, sharp. And I'll help you to eat the food because you have to eat one more food. Because these are with carrots and with spot. And now you have to use it. You have the fork. Thank you. I'll put another one, okay? Okay. You have to wait for... You're done! I'm so full. Yes. Do you want my tummy to explode? No, not yet. Because I have to put something here. Now it has to... ice cream is very good. Yeah. Can I have some of this on it? Yes. And I'm going to put some this on it. And you have to mix. And it's really yummy. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. I do like it. And you have your eyes. Your eyes. Yummy. This is very yummy. I don't see me again. I'm making it. I'm done eating. Aha! I see him. I'm done eating. Are you done eating? Okay. Give me that. I have to clean up. Can I have some eggs? Eggs? Okay. First I have to clean up these. Okay. Put them in the trash can. I got some eggs. Okay, you have to put it in a plate. Now, here. Okay, thank you. And then I have some hot dogs. Okay. Yummy! Eat some eggs. Okay. Eat another egg. Are you done? It's so raw tasting. Are you done yet? Yes, I'm done. It was very yummy. Yeah, it was tasty. Now I'm going to give it another. Thank you. Ooh, do you want to play? Thank you. Just eat it all toy, so I put it on the other way.
Did you wash the potato?
Huh?
Did you wash the potato?
Yeah, already.
Okay. Thank you.
We have to use right this.
This is good.
I'm gonna make some.
Sorry.
What's this one?
Ooh, that's dog food.
Oh, what's that?
I'm just kidding. This is salami.
Oh, this.
Yummy.
Don't.
Yes.
Not yet.
Okay, I don't want to eat anymore.
Okay, you're done?
Okay.
Are you hungry?
No,
But you have to